This mobile decoration is out of this world. If you want to make your own, then stay tuned to this episode of Backstage Flints. Hi, I'm Claire from Flints, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a super sparkly mobile decoration for your bedroom today. At Flints Backstage, we've been bringing you a series of videos and content to get you inspired during this period of self-isolation. So remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be the first to see new content. We're going to be using these groovy designer materials today. They're fantastic. I think they're one of the best products at Flints that people don't really know about. But they come in so many different colours and they have these great mirror effects on them. For this make, you're going to need a few things before we begin. Some designer materials, some fishing wire, which is see-through, so will look invisible, some scissors, a pen, and some circular things to draw around, and a coat hanger to hang it all from. So I'm going to be doing a space theme for my mobile today, but you can do anything you want, anything that'll look good in your bedroom, or maybe you want to make it as a gift for someone, so you could pick a theme that they might like. But I think space is really suited to these materials because they're so shiny. So I'm going to start by cutting some simple shapes. So this is where having some nice things to draw around comes in. I'm going to draw on the back of the paper where it's got this white covering instead to keep this nice and clean. So I'm going to take something like tape, but it could be a plate, a cup, anything. And I'm just going to draw around the inside of the tape roll. And I've got a nice crisp circle that I can then cut out. There we go. Now I just want to make quite a few of these so that my decoration's nice and full. So I'm going to take a different colour and I'm going to draw around the outside of the tape to get a slightly bigger circle this time. So now these two are cut out. And these are quite simple, but you can absolutely go for it and make more elaborate shapes. So for example, here's some planets we made by cutting out and layering the papers. And here is a rocket. So once you've cut out all the shapes that you want and you're happy with them, the next thing to do is to make a small hole in the top of them so that we can hang them. So we're going to do this by just taking a pen, very carefully, just pushing it through until you make a hole. When you finish that step and all of your shapes have a little hole in the top, it's time to cut your fishing wire. So we want them all to hang at different lengths so it'll look more interesting. So if you just cut a bunch of different length pieces of wire to begin with, don't need to be too precise about it. And then with each piece of wire, we're going to feed it through the hole that we made in the top of each shape and then make a small knot here to hold it in place. And then just trim that excess to keep it nice and tidy. And we're going to repeat this for all of the shapes we've got. Once you've threaded the fishing wire through all of your shapes, next step is to lay them out in the order you want them, and then place your coat hanger or whatever you're going to use to hang them on above it. And then we're going to stretch out the wire and begin to attach them to the bottom bar of the coat hanger just by knotting them on again. And this is where, again, you want to make sure they're different lengths and make it interesting so you can keep checking how it's looking as you're making it. And remember to trim all the excesses to keep it nice and smart looking. And I'm going to keep doing that, working my way across my shapes until they're all tied on. And there we have it, a personalised mobile, perfect for hanging in your bedroom or giving as a gift to someone. If you want to make your own kit, then head over to flints.co.uk and get a mobile decoration kit now. The kit comes with a selection pack of the different designer materials and you can cut any shape you want out of them, and it also comes with the fishing wire to make them hang like this. And remember, get creative and share your work with us using the hashtag BackstageFlints. Follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter to be the first to see new content like this. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video, stay safe and lots of love from Flints.